This short, we'll be learning how to create a custom list. So, for creating a custom list, first you need to understand your unique value. For me, my unique value is a product. So, first, to find out the single time repetition of this product, I'll use the unique formula. By using the unique formula, I'll be able to understand how many exact products do I have. So, here I got my unique list. So, and I have 13 products. So, one thing to remember whenever you're working on a custom list or creating a custom list, it cannot be created on a formula based one. So select this and repeat it or paste it somewhere with a paste as values. So I did my paste as values and I'm removing this formulated one. So once you do this, go to the files, click on the options, go to the advanced, scroll down. Under the general, click on the edit custom list. Here, click on this arrow mark, select your list. Again, click on the down arrow, click on import, and click on OK. Boom, your custom list is done. So now you can apply the filters for these headers. Control Shift L, and you can sort them based on the custom list. So here I'm clicking at filter and sort custom. Extend to the continue to the current cell, and then select sort by products. Sort by products. So after that, come here. Here we have created a custom list. Go to the custom list and select the range. So you want to filter it based on this and click on OK. So now, boom, it's done. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bar as well so that you will not miss such an amazing content. Thank you.